Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone, especially my dear students of pre-9th and 9th class. We have completed chapter number 1. From today we are starting exercise. First I thought that MCQs of chapter 1. Only in book what is given, we will work on that. But then I thought, actually till now you have also noted that this thing, that Sir Javed is not leaving any topic. When I am not leaving any topic, it means that I want you to study each and everything. Then if you understand everything, then MCQs will be no problem for you. And then from whole chapter, I have decided, I have collected many MCQs for you. That will be about 45-50. So today we are starting with MCQs. Therefore, I have written class 9th, chapter 1, and that is MCQs 1. So today I will give you few MCQs, and tomorrow again you will get number 2 MCQs. That will be, we will complete more with that. So let's start with MCQs. Remember, when you have to solve MCQs, then the lesson that you have read, the lesson that teacher has explained you should be in your mind. After that you can very easily solve these MCQs. So let's bring me my marker. So remember one thing, dear students, that when we come to MCQs, understanding of the chapter, observation of teacher, that you have observed your teacher while the teacher was training you, giving you the lecture. So that is very important. So if you are not prepared, first go and revise your chapter. Just pause the video, revise your chapter for a minute and then come back. So let's start. The first MCQ says, science is the study that includes. When it says science is the study that includes, so remember that we must know what the definition of science is. There are two ways to do MCQs. First, you must know the definition of the thing. Second, if you don't know the confirmed definition, then first cross the wrong ones. You're not going to cross it, but in your mind, cross that these things are not possible. So it says science is the study that includes number 1, observation, number 2, experiments, C says A and B, and D says none of these. Now, observation, yes, in science we do observation. Experiments, yes, we do experiments in science. So C choice, that is yes, both A and B. We will circle A and B because in science we do observation as well as experiments. Clear? Then number 2, scientific study of living organism is called. Now, scientific study of living organism, either it is biotechnology, geology, biotechnology. We have read the branch and we know it is not possible because this is not study of living organism, it is only one side of that. Then geology, earth, chemistry, we know relations and others. Biology. So biology is the scientific study of living organisms. So we will circle B choice. Then comes word biology has been derived from. When I was explaining you what I said biology is a Greek word. So biology is a Greek word. It is not an English word. It is not Italian word. It is not French word. Biology has been derived from a Greek word bios and logos. Then comes the word logos means. Now here reasoning, thought, both A and B, and none of these. Now when it says reasoning, logos doesn't mean reasoning. If logos has meant reasoning, then we must change the definition of biology, that is study, or we will not say study of living organisms, we will say reasoning of living organisms. So reasoning is not there. Thought Yes, study means thought. So logos means thinking, thought. B, A and B uh, is not correct because we are not going with the reasoning. Then comes 5. Division of biology. Biology has been divided into many branches. Division of biology that deals with study of animals. Biology has been divided into 2, study of animals and study of plants. So here you want study of animals. So botany, no, it is study of plant. Microbiology, unicellular, that we can't see with naked eye. Then study of animals is simply zoology. Anatomy is something else. Anatomy is something else. Then comes number 6. Branch that deals with study of form and structure. When we say form and structure, cell biology is the study of cell. Anatomy, histology, something else. Then comes morphology. We remember that morphology is the study of form and structure of living organisms. Clear? Then the last one, 7th, microscopic study of tissues. Microscopic study of tissues. When we say tissues, then we remember that the definition we have done for tissues is histology. So histology is the study of tissues. So pharmacology is something else, paleontology and entomology, that is something else. Histology, we know the definition that it is the study of microscopic studies of tissues. Now we will move to number 8 and further what we will see MCQs for today. Sentence number 8. Sentence number is histology. Histology is the scientific study of. When we say histology, then remember that we know the definition. Histology links with tissues. So what we will say, that cell is cell biology, no? So histology is the scientific study of cells, no. Muscles, no. Organs, no. Histology, we know the definition, so it is the study of tissues. When cells combine from tissues, then the study of tissues is called histology. Number 9, the study of functions of different parts of living things. When we say functions of different parts, I told you that when doctor studies parts, or scientist, or in lab when we study parts of a living body, then it is called a physiology. So physiology is the study of functions of different parts of living organism. Anatomy is something else. Morphology and histology is totally different. Then number 10, the study of structure and function of cell and cell organelles. Here I have told you that study of cells. So when we say study and function of cell and cell organelles, then naturally it is cell biology, because we know what histology, anatomy and taxonomy is. So then number 11, the study of internal structure. When we go to internal structure, morphology, no. Then physiology is there, anatomy and cell biology. So what we will say, the study of internal structure is morphology, no. Physiology, no. We know anatomy. Anatomy is the study of internal structure, internal parts, internal organs. So that is anatomy. Cell biology we have done over here. We know that it is study of cell. Number 12, the study of inheritance of characters. When I told you inheritance of character, that from parent inherited to young ones, from parents to offsprings. So we will say the genetics. We remember the genes, DNA and RNA. So embryology is something else. Zoology, animals. Physiology, we have just done different parts. And genetics. So genetics is the study of inheritance of characters in living organisms. Number 13 is the study and role of genes in inheritance. Is when we say genetics, then it is study of genes. So naturally only the wordings has changed. Here it says the study of inheritance. Here it says the role of genes in inheritance. Basically, these two are same. So whenever inheritance comes, then we know that the answer is genetics. Because genes, what is the function of genes in inheritance is to transfer the characters and different properties, qualities from parents to offspring. So this 12 and 13, both answers are genetics. Then come number 14, the study of remains of extinct organisms, fossils. You remember when we were studying branches, I told you about extinct organisms that ended, that finished. So taxonomy, no. Paleontology, yes. Paleontology is the study of fossils, that is extinct organisms. Entomology and biotechnology is something else. Then comes 15, molecular biology. When we say molecular biology, naturally with molecule, what concept comes to, which subject comes to your mind? That is chemistry. So that is, I told you the relation between different subjects. Biometry is not there, bioeconomics is not there, so biochemistry. Because study of molecular biology. So bio and chemistry. Biochemistry is the right choice for sentence number 15 and D is none. So my dear students, today in MCQs part 1, what is this? This is MCQs. I have written for you is MCQs and in bracket I have written 1. And I told you that 15 we have done today, and in MCQs 2, 15 I will make tomorrow for you, and then again 15. 45 or 50 total MCQs we are going to do. It will be 3 videos, because if I will make a long video, it will be boring for you. And 15 easily you can digest. So that's why today what you are going to do is, first recall the chapter in your mind. If you have some problem in some topics or definitions, so go back to the theory book and watch that video or read your book. And after reading it, then again come to this MCQ video and watch it very carefully. So MCQ 1 we have done, MCQ 2 and 3 very soon, tomorrow and day after you will receive those. So with best of luck, I hope that you have understood all the things, and you have understood how to find out the MCQs, how to solve MCQs. This is very important for you. So once again, I will request that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and thank you very much for listening. Love you all. Take care.